Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Starknet coin. Ticker symbol is STRK. Now it was just announced that the Starknet coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Starknet coin and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So, Starknet is a permissionless validity rollup, also known as a zero-knowledge rollup, ZK rollup for Ethereum. It operates as a Layer 2 blockchain, enabling a decentralized application, a dApp, to achieve a massive scale for its computation without compromising on Ethereum's composability and security. Initial total supply of this coin is 10 billion STRKs, and it was just announced, so this was on Twitter, if you follow at MEXC_official, it says MEXC new listing alert. The STRK coin will be listed in the assessment zone, and trading will open once liquidity requirement is met. So it doesn't have an exact time or date yet, but it says TBA, trading will open once liquidity requirement is met. So this is going to happen very soon. Now, if you're looking to get the Starknet coin and you don't have an MEXC global account, I do have an MEXC global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So, basically, you can follow their Twitter here at Starknet. They have over 303,000 Twitter followers. I'm going to put it up right here so you guys can easily find this project here. And once it says here, there is claiming starts February 20th, 2024. You could see it in the banner up there. At 12 p.m. UTC time, so maybe around that time is when they're going to be getting these central exchange listings. But very soon anyways, this token will be on MEXC, and then all you would have to do to get this coin is simply go right through that MEXC global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your MEXC global account with USDT, and once it gets listed, go into the trade section, search STRK, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. You can find their webpage at starknet.io, and if you want English, go /EN. Very popular project, obviously, so they probably have all these different language pages. So Starknet is a permissionless validity rollup, also known as ZK rollup for Ethereum. Starknet aims to achieve secure, low-cost transactions and high performance by using the Stark cryptographic proof system. Starknet contracts and the Starknet OS are written in Cairo, a custom-built and specialized programming language. So there is a quick start guide. It says, in order to interact with Starknet and compile Cairo code, you need to install several tools. So if you're going to use the platform, it shows you basically how to install and start using, setting environment variables, etc., etc. So they have Scarb is one of the things you would install. Another one is Starkly. So they talk about setting up an account, how to set up an account on here, creating an account, deploying a smart contract, interacting with a smart contract. So there's different versions. There's the Starknet release notes, and then there's the architecture of the whole blockchain, the block structures. So this is all available if you want to read the document section at docs.starknet.io. You're going to find tons of information over there. So Starknet is developing decentralized protocol and a economic mechanism described as subject to change based on governance decisions made by the larger community of Starknet. So they do have like a DAO governance involved here with Starknet as well. So if you want to read about the Starknet governance processes, they have their own Starknet governance hub available on their document section. You can click on that. It'll take you to a different page. The technical documents described there are the economic fundamentals of the Starknet token. These materials are intended for informational purposes only and meant to outline the usage and functionalities of the asset within Starknet. It is important to understand that the primary purpose of the Starknet token is to facilitate operations and activities on Starknet and is not intended to serve as an investment. So, disclaimer there. And it goes over why are economics relevant. So the purpose of the Strk token, it's the mechanism for paying fees to enable operations of the network, maintaining and securing the network by enabling staking for consensus and deciding on Starknet's values and technological goals by voting for governance proposals. So that's one of the main things here is governance, but then there's also transaction fees. So originally fees in Starknet were paid only in Ethereum, in ETH, but now there's going to be the Starknet token for that. Also staking, so you'll be able to stake the token. Certain services that are critical to the liveliness and security of Starknet may require the staking of Starknet tokens. These services might be offered by multiple providers and could include sequencing, reaching temporary L2 consensus before L1 finality is reached, Stark proving services, and data availability provisioning, to name a few examples. These protocol changes are still under discussion within the larger governance community and are targeted for 2025. And then voting on proposals might require a minimum amount of tokens for the governance. So you can go over the developer tools and resources. I mean, all sorts of information is at docs.starknet.io. But anyways, this coin here will be getting a brand new listing very soon. So I would follow their Twitter here at Starknet to wait for more details. They have this big date here, February 20th coming up. So probably I would guess like before then or around that time is when this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.